So tapos na ang conference na to, Philippine Cup. After nito, Gilas, matagal na pahinga, and then another PBA conference. Magiging mahaba ang break, so may time tayo para magpahinga. At pag-usapan muna natin tong conference na to. Tapos na siya, nag-champion ng San Miguel against TNT, 4-2. Kind of, a good series overall, pero personally, after game 1, tinrato ko na tong seri na to as bakasyon. Kumbaga, yung games kasi Fridays and Sundays, sabi ko, malabo. Enjoyin ko na lang yung Friday night tsaka yung Sunday night. Kumbaga, tsaka bakit ako mag-upload ng video about sa game na hindi ko pinanood masyado or hindi ko pinanood in general or, hindi ko talaga pinanood, period. So, ba't ako magpapanggap, diba, na alam ko yung sinasabi ko. Pero anyway, itong video na to sa mga long-time listener or long-time viewers, alam niyo tong format na to, matagal ako hindi nakapag-upload ng ganito, and na-feel ko lang, actually wala akong balak gumawa talaga. Like, ngayon, February 2, 1:13 a.m., wala akong balak talagang gumawa ng video or kahit na, recap or yung thoughts ko about this game. Pero, wala lang, random urge lang. So, eto na, inon ko yung microphone. Sabi ko, hindi ko na ito ikakat-kat. Pag nabulol ako, mabubulol ako. Pero anyway, ang video na to, gusto ko lang pag-usapan. Ito yung main topic ko for this video. Interesting siya for me, na itong conference na to, ang perception ko dito sa conference na to, good conference siya overall. It was a good, solid conference. Maraming good things na nangyari inside this conference, sa conference na to, rather. And alam ko maraming sasabi, PBA in general, bad product, etc., etc. Pero I'd argue, 'di ba, good things naman can still happen inside of a, bad product, overall product. Kumbaga, kahit na hindi ideal yung situation ng PBA, pwede pa rin siyang gumawa ng mga good little things. 'Di ba? Kumbaga, pwede ka pa rin makahanap ng enjoyable moments dun sa, sa PBA. And yun, like, first of all, isang small win para sa PBA. Yung sa Gilas Pilipinas, yung huling video ko, ito rin yung points ko na parang, yes, could be better Gilas program, pero may small wins. So for the PBA, ganun din yung thoughts ko. Maybe it's just, ako na to, problema ko na to, bakit ganito yung point of view ko sa mga bagay as of late. Lagi kong hinahanapan ng small wins. Pero, in terms of small wins, yung pag-live stream nila sa YouTube, I think that's a win kasi access yan eh. Yung mga hindi manonood, pag nakita nila sa homepage nila na may PBA game, manonood sila ay nag-translate yun sa numbers. They even flex it. Diba sa broadcast na parang ganong karami nanonood, and they were really proud of their numbers online, which is, I think that's a good thing kasi pwede mong i-argue na hindi naman fully dead ang liga. Access lang talaga and logistics kasi mahirap bumiyahe sa arena, mahal ang ticket. You're going to spend 3 hours, wala pa dun yung pamasahe or yung pagbiyahe, pag-commute to watch a game. Tapos walang signal sa loob ng MOA, walang signal sa loob ng Araneta. 'Di ba? It's time consuming kasi siya and takes a lot of energy. So, kumbaga, kahit ako, malapit ako doon, hindi ako laging manonood. And, kumbaga, nasa MOA, pag gusto ko yung game, or Hinebra, kunyari, or even San Miguel TNT, nagkaayaan kami ng kaibigan ko na San Miguel fan, sige, nood tayo, malapit lang naman, MOA. Willing ako i-drive, willing ako magbayad ng tollgate, at mag-spend ng 3 oras sa walang signal na MOA arena. Kasi, good game siya in general, good matchup. And the fact na naka-live siya sa YouTube, para to sa mga, yung mga on the fence na pwede mo i-convert into fans. Like for example, naka-live, tapos rain or shine ang palabas, napanood nila si Adrian Nocum, medyo bata-bata yung viewer, in-idol niya si Nocum, kasi gusto niya yung laro. Yung mga ganung bagay, kumbaga makaka-gather ng mga bagong fans, or even yung mga existing fans, may way for them to engage. So, I think that's a small win. Pangalawa, yung independent teams, yes, they fell short playoffs, pero still, eliminations-wise, kung tatanggalin natin yung injury sa rain or shine, would have been, would have performed better siguro overall, especially sa playoffs. Then for Converge naman, experience talaga yung kinulang sila. pero rising team as well. So, kumbaga, small win ulit para sa conference na to, na may independent teams na kayang, magpakita na pwede silang pumalag. Kulang pa, pero, unti-unti, malay mo next time, malay mo sa susunod ulit, at least, kita mo na meron na nag-brew. Kumbaga, may nag-uprising ng maliit na malay mo, eventually, makasilat sila ng mga 1-2 championship, and parang yung dati sa Alaska. Then, eventually, they build upon that. They build hanggang sa maging serious contender sila na consistent. So, that's another small win. Pangatlong small win, yung semifinals hanggang finals na matchups. Yes, yun yung 4 big teams from, the big market teams. Meralco, TNT, San Miguel, Ginebra. Pero, in general, Meralco was an interesting team ngayong conference. Si Jay Cancino, Rising Star. TNT naman, also an interesting team kasi every conference consistent sila, pero this conference, meron silang depth. And even kahit na nag-struggle sila sa injuries din, and wala pa rin si Jason Castro, kumbaga formidable team pa rin sila. Talagang San Miguel lang. San Miguel diba? And Junmar is Junmar. Hindi yun, Ginebra at San Miguel, outside of Junmar Fajardo, had some other guys. Diba? Hindi ito Jericho Cruz conference. Don Trollano also, diba, showed up. And the other guys as well, Chris Rosales, even Rodney Bronjal, I've heard, had a great performance na hindi ko napanood. Pero ang dami ko nakikita. Tapos yung Barangay Ginebra, kumbaga, unti-unti na silang bumabalik sa roots nila ulit. Hindi na sila yung robot Ginebra. Diba? Meron pa din kasi andun pa rin yung mga ibang robot like Stephen Holt. Anyway, hindi ito yung platform for that. Pero, unti-unti nang ina-accept ng Ginebra na Ginebra sila eh. RJ Abarientos, Jason David, Ralph Q, yung mga role player. Or even RJ, di ba? Yung batang star player na binibigyan ng freedom to do whatever he wants. Pero, within reasonable pa din. Pero, yun. Ginebra, also exciting. Excited nga ako actually next conference for Ginebra. Anong mangyayari? I'm not expecting a trade, pero sana mas bigyan pa ng, minutes sila Jason David, Ralph Q, RJ Barrientos. Tapos yun, in general, diba, this conference is a win for me kasi from start to finish, invested ako. Maybe ako lang yun, pero opinion ko naman to. Medyo invested ako sa buong conference na to kumpara sa mga ibang conferences kasi dati, start of conference, medyo wala akong pakialam, pero this conference, medyo may paki ako ng onte. Nag-peak siya, nag-peak, tapos pagdating na finals, okay lang, sakto lang. Pero, merong mga 1-2 games na parang tutok din ako sa monitor or sa TV. So, kumbaga ganun naman talaga hindi naman every game makakatutok ka, hindi naman buong conference tutok ka. Pero in general, na-enjoy ko tong conference na to. I think this conference was good. I hope they continue, live streaming their games, more diversity sa tawag dito, venue. Wag puro antipolo. One time, maraming antipolo. Hindi ibig sabihin na laging nasa antipolo dapat. More MOA, more Araneta, mag-on tour ulit sila. I think they're building something, ulit. I think medyo nagkakaroon ulit ng traction tong PBA because I think it really starts with their online presence talaga. Magsisimula yan sa live stream nila sa YouTube. And they have to make better content for them to stand out. Kasi ang kakompetensya nila hindi basketball eh. Yung isa pang liga dyan na quote-unquote rival nila, basically, a censored. So yun, excited ako sa parating na Gilas window. And I hope na this off-season, Titan finally makalaya na sa kanilang past. At yung mga assets nila na natira doon, na meron pang rights or meron pang control, of that one corporation, mailabas na lahat para makapagsimula na sila ng bago and prove the fans wrong. Kasi parang nagsisimula ng, mawala yung tiwala ng fans sa kanila eh. Kailangan na nilang ibigay lahat ng tanggalin na nila lahat ng nakaipit na assets sa kanila and start fresh. And for Phoenix naman, bago Coach Charles Chu, wala akong expectations sa Phoenix. I just hope they figure things out. And if magkakaroon man ng exodus, sana, diba, they build something competitive after that. I hope sana solid yung mga trades nila if ever they engage in trade talks or i-trade man nila sila Richie. Pero kung ako tatanungin, ite-trade ko today si Stephen Holt para kay Aris Dionisio at kay Cade Flores. Tapos bahala na. Balik na tayo sa 2009 Ginebra against, a Magnolia team that continues to improve. Maybe nag-regress in terms of coaching, pero, I don't know for sure anong kaya pang i-improve ni LA. I hope, di ba, ma-figure niya paano ipatakbuhin yung Magnolia. Kasi, exciting na Ginebra, exciting na Magnolia, malakas na San Miguel, malakas na TNT, solid na Meralco, Rain or Shine na nagko-compete, and Converge or Alaska na nagko-compete din. Yun yung recipe for a good PBA, league in general, or good PBA conference for years to come. Kasi once na yung solid teams na yan, yung mga big market teams, exciting ang Ginebra, malakas ang Magnolia, San Miguel is deep, di ba? And threat sila sa Philippine Cup. TNT as well. Meralco is consistent palagi. Tapos yung mga independent teams pumapalagi. Kumbaga basketball-wise, di ba? Yun na yun eh. And it's up to PBA or even Signal to market the league. Kasi in terms of Signal, I don't think. Anyway, ayoko na magsalita tungkol sa Signal, baka lalo lang hindi umokay ang relationship ko sa anyway, baka i-copyright pa lahat ng video ko. Pero ayun, I just hope they do better job of covering or promoting the league. Signal or One Sports, kasi it's always the same sit down interview, diba? Miko Halili interview, may parang podcast type sa sopa or some venue, some studio, and the same old tricks. And I hope, diba, they figure things out. Iba na ang laro ngayon. Iba na ang way of, the internet in general. And I'm not saying na mas magaling ako. Hindi ako mas magaling kasi kaya nga ako nandito sa microphone sa loob ng kwarto ko kasi, I'm not at their level, I guess. Pero, ayun, konting yap lang. Baka ikat ko na rin to pag kulang na yung footage ko ng 2K. Pero I am going to try na i-revive yung main channel. Lagi ko sinasabi to every year na i-revive ko yung main channel. Pero this year, hindi ko na siya i-overthink. Whatever, anong maisip ko, upload ko na. Kahit medyo, for me, medyo low effort-ish. Lalabas ko pa din, bala na. Yun na lang yung attitude ko sa main channel na parang, sa eyes to parang, ano yung feeling kong okay, upload. Huwag na masyadong isipin. Huwag na masyadong magpa-deep or what. Kung ang gusto ng masa, ganito, okay. Kung ang gusto ko, ganito, okay. Di ba? Kung anong gusto ng lahat. Huwag na natin masyadong i-overthink. Pero anyway, overall, this was a good, solid conference and I hope they continue. Yun lang, sa mga small wins na yun.